crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. So today is a mini haul. So I finally went to Five Below and got a few things, and I am going to show you the sticker books and things that I got for the junk journaling journey that I'm living right now. So let's go ahead and flip the camera. So let's start with the coquette stickers, and I'm gonna come closer. Yeah, so we can view the stickers. Super cute. Look at that. Sort of very coquette. Very coquette. Very feminine. And that's it. So it comes with 250 stickers. Wow. In this pretty pastel paper pad. Very cute. Comes with stickers too. Plain papers. And then here we go. Hopefully you guys are able to see better. Yeah, so very cute. Very pastel-y. Yeah. And then this craft book, Flower Power. And I'm going to open this up. Oh! Okay. I cut this paper. Oh, these are stickers. And these are cards. I believe these are envelopes. Alphas, numbers. More stickers. Paper. Tags. Kind of like postcards. Very cute. Cutesy. Oh, and then over here is just a set of loose paper too. And that's it. So this is from Five Below. Michaels. They are selling junk journal kits. I know, it's a trend, right? So I'm going to open this up. And it comes with a journal or a notebook. And here are the pieces. The paper. Very thin, which is perfect. And how many patterns? 1, 2, 3, and 4 patterns. And then over here, oh, and 5 patterns. This one. And over here, it's washi tape, some cards, very cute, pockets, very cute stickers, cute borders, labels, very nice, very nice. And then the 2 washi tape. So that is Michael's. Now we are going to view. Oh, I'm forgetting about this. I got this also at Five Below. Yeah. So this is junk journal sticker book. bunch of stickers. Very cutesy. And paper. Yeah. Now, what I got from Amazon. The Ransom note sticker book, which has all the alphas and numbers. Very random, very good. As you can see, I have been using it. So all those white spots are the stickers that I have already taken off. So this is very nice to have. And then this is my favorite Nathalie Letty sticker book. She designs for anthropology, and it's just, her illustrations are just phenomenal. You're probably gonna see this book with not too many stickers because I have been using it since November of last year. So I got this book at Urban Outfitters because I just went to Urban Outfitters and I saw it and I was like, oh, how pretty. I've been wanting to get the Martina Calvi sticker book, whatever, and it's just sold out everywhere. So look at these. It's just a page full of kitties. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at that. Butterflies. My goodness. Look at all these beautiful illustrations that she put together. They're very whimsical. And then once you use it, you know, this paper, you can, you know, use it on your journals too as well. Look at all the stickers that I have taken off so far, which is good. You know, that means that I'm not hoarding, I'm using things. So yeah, so that's one book. Then the other book, the big book of queer stickers, I got these at my local shop and I love it because it's very colorful. It has words, all kinds of things, you know, animals, horoscopes, food, sweet and treats, alphas. Very cutesy. Very cutesy. I love it. I love it. And then these papers. Then this one, John Darien, he has a store in Manhattan, and hopefully I will get to see the store in person next month. So this is, he has like a couple of sticker books. So this is the number 2 or the second sticker book, and it's very, I want to say, antiquarian, kind of like old vintagey look. You know, I love everything vintage as well, and it has all kinds of illustrations. Almost looks like those old books, you know, about flora and fauna and all kinds of things. It's just so pretty. Look at that. Very cute. Very cute. And I'm gonna go a little bit faster because I don't want this video to be too long. But definitely a sticker book if you're into junk journaling, antiquing, or even scrapbooking, you know, with an antique vintage style. This will be your book, definitely. I'm in a different day right now. I am going to show you a flip through of this book for paper lovers, along with a Year of Junk Journaling book that I got, and Cat's Meow sticker book, and these 2 stickers. So I love this book. I know that there are so many editions, and I definitely have to go to a bookshop to purchase it. And I got this book in Vermont, Barnes & Nobles last October. So I love it because it has all kinds of paper. I mean, you can tell that I have been using this paper. It also has cards, I mean stickers. It's just so lovely. All kinds of designs, and it's, look at all these cards that they come with. And then it has like a calendar with all the months, more little cards. I guess they have different sayings, but it's just so nice. Envelopes. And what else we have here? Yeah, it's and I bought the book because of the cat. You know, I'm a cat lover, even though I don't have a cat, but I just love anything with cats. And look at these postcards, so pretty. I mean, look at all the stickers. So cute, so cute. And it comes with these Flow Arts and Crafts store. So nice. Yeah, so then my latest acquisition was this Cats Meow sticker book that I got at Urban Outfitters. Believe it or not, they do have all kinds of stickers and sticker books. But, you know, I'm a cat lover, so I have to grab it. Grab this sticker book of cats. Yeah, so pretty, right? Then I also got these pip stickers. I think it's a company, California, which is so pretty. Yeah, and so the next book that I have is not a sticker book. It's a Year of Junk Journaling book from Martina Calvi. I finally got this book, and I got it at Urban Outfitters. I went to the physical store, not online. So this is a really nice book that will teach you what is junk journaling, and if you want to be in that, right? What to include here and there. Like, I am a scrapbooker, so I like my spreads to be visually aesthetic, even though my style is eclectic, but I like things to look nice and pretty. And junk journaling, creative journaling, that's what some people they call it. So you can use all kinds of media, not only paper, but like in here in this book, she uses even like dried flowers, cards, tickets, where you journal, right? Yeah. So like, look at this spread. Like, it's very busy, right? Very eclectic. But you know, that's the style, you know, that some people love. Some people love simple things, like this spread, like this one. This is like very plain and nice. So it's a really nice book, you know, that will teach you or give you ideas or inspirations of how to junk journal. Yeah, so I already put the other books away in my closet. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and let me know which book you liked and if you are into junk journaling. And have a wonderful day. Bye.